Welcome! In front of me I have OPPO Watch X2 Mini and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps on this watch. So if you want to change the straps on your watch, first you need to remove the old ones, and to do it you need to grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of your watch you will see that on each strap you have this lever you can pull on. And basically how it works is you pull on this lever towards the middle of the strap and it will release the strap from the watch. Let's grab it and pull on it. And as you can see, the strap comes out basically. Same for the other side, like this. And how this mechanism works is quite simple. You have two pins on each side of the strap and two holes on each side of the watch. One here, one here. And normally those pins are locked in those holes on the watch, and if you pull on the lever rather, it will retract this pin, letting you to pull out the strap from the watch. Quite simple mechanism, one of the best. And here we have our straps and our watch. And if you want to put the straps on, you grab the strap, you grab the watch, you put the side opposite from the lever into a hole on the watch, like this. This, I don't know if you can see it, maybe like that, and then you need to pull on the lever to retract the pin and then align it with the other hole and release it. Sometimes it's a bit of a fight, but after it clicks in, it will hold the strap. Okay, same for the other side, so insert it on this side, come on, maybe like this. Insert it on the side, like that, pull on the lever, align it, release it, and it will click in. Okay, and that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.